In this video, I will show you how to fix if your mic is not working on Discord. And without further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial. The first thing you're going to want to do is come down to the sound option down here, give that a right click and click onto sounds. So what it's going to do is open up a window that's going to look like this, and from here you want to make sure that everything is configured first of all. So if you come up to the top and click onto the recording tab, and what you want to do is set your microphone to the default device. So you can see I've set this one here, but to change it to the default device, all you need to do is choose your microphone and then underneath click to set default. After this is done, what you want to do is click onto the microphone and come down and click onto properties. So to get the best kind of sound from your microphone, what you want to do is come up and click onto the levels tab up here. And you want to set this to about 80. If you set this too high, sometimes the voice can come out distorted, so you want to make sure it's around the 80 mark. I find for this kind of microphone it's a good level, but of course you'll just have to test that for your microphone and see what works best for you. Also, what you want to do is click onto the advanced tab up here, and you want to change this to DVD or CD quality. So if you click on the drop down box, you're going to see all these channels available, and what you want to do is make sure you've got CD or DVD quality selected for the best possible sound. Once you've made those changes, go ahead and click the apply button down here, and then you can just come out of this to close that down. Next, what we're going to do is open up Discord. I will be using the app, but as I mentioned earlier, you can do this on a web-based version as well. The steps are the same, so there's no difference. And what you want to do is open up your settings. So if you come to the bottom left hand corner and click onto the gear icon down here, and then from here what you want to do is come to this menu on the left hand side and scroll down till you get to the app settings section. Next you want to click onto voice and video. So you can see that's this one here, so go ahead and give that a click, and what you want to do is make sure that your input and your output device is set to default. After that's done, you can check your mic down here by clicking let's check. And what you can also do, you can see as I'm speaking into the mic, this bar is turning green, which means that the mic is now working and picking up my voice. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate a like on the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with the latest tips, tricks and tutorials for everything tech and digital related. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.